Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I have for you our brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about this boat right now. We outfitted this in a light blue full gel coat hull color. And on the back of the transom, we added the white powder coated ski tow bar and the upgraded 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. So plenty of power on this boat for being able to pull your wakeboarders and a great cruising boat around the waterways. A 10-inch draft on this boat and a good modified deep V, so you can get into real skinny shallow water but then still be able to handle the nasty chop offshore. Some other notes on this boat: it's a 6'10" beam, so a good size beam for a 16-foot boat, and a great layout on here, which I'm going to show you right now. We left the boat pretty blank, so you can add 4 different seating options on here and add bow cushion and the cooler cushion if you wanted to, or you can keep the boat really easy in a spray and go, easy to maintain boat. We have the 19-gallon upgraded fuel tank on here, windshield, a nice lockable waterproof storage container in here, and then the low profile rails throughout the boat. But a really great boat to be able to handle for a beginner boat, and then a fun boat to just be able to hop around on the spoil island. So if you want to check this boat out at any of our others, please give me a call at 910-256-8100. And again, my name is Chris Honig and look forward to meeting you soon.